Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss some important MCQs from the short story The Fly. It is written by Katherine Mansfield. So let's start. Question number 1. Who wrote the short story The Fly? Answer is Katherine Mansfield. Question number 2. The story was published in 18th March 1922. Question number 3. What offered was to Odyfield? Answer is whiskey. Question number 4. Which day Odyfield came to his office? Answer is Tuesday. Question number 5. Why he came out on Tuesday only? Answer is his family members allowed him to go out only on Tuesday due to his health. Question number 6. What did boss shown Odyfield? Answer is his new redecorated office. Question number 7. What happened with boss's son? Answer is he died on First World War. Question number 8. What did the boss do after the fly death? Answer is throw the dead fly along with the paper in dustbin. Question number 9. What is the name of office clerk of Mr. Boss? Answer is Messi. Question number 10. What kind of short story The Fly is? Answer is it is an allegory. Question number 11. Who is Gertrude? Answer is Mr. Odyfield's daughter. Question number 12. Where were Mr. Odyfield and Mr. Boss's son grave? Answer is Belgium. Question number 13. How many years Odyfield younger to Boss? Answer is 5 years. Question number 14. For the life he could not remember. Who could not remember what? After killing the fly, the boss felt positively frightened, and after that he wondered as he could not remember what he was thinking before. The boss could not remember because of his guilty conscience. Question number 15. I have got little drop. Do you good? Who is the speaker? Answer is the boss. Question number 16. His talk was over. He did not want to go. Who is the person referred? Answer is the person referred to here is old Odyfield. Question number 17. What did Odyfield do on Tuesday? Answer is on Tuesday he is dressed and combed and allowed to go outside. Question number 18. We cling to our last pleasure, last lives. It is an example of metaphor. Question number 19. How did the boss look like? Answer is strong and stout. Question number 20. He liked to have it admire old Odyfield. Who liked what to be admired? Answer is the boss liked his office room to be admired especially by old Odyfield. Question number 21. The floor of the boss's room was covered with new red carpet with a pattern of large white rings. Question number 25. He could not have looked a rabbit. Who looked surprised and why? Answer is old Odyfield looked very much surprised when he saw the boss producing a bottle of whiskey from a cupboard below the desk. Question number 26. It is a sacrilege, stuff like this. Who said this and to whom? What is the meaning of sacrilege? The boss said this to his one-time colleague, old Odyfield. The word sacrilege means disrespectful treatment of what is considered to be sacred. Question number 27. But it warmed him, he remembered. Who did remember what? Answer is old Odyfield is the speaker here. Here it refers to the whiskey. Odyfield wants to report the boss about his daughter's visit to Belgium to have a look to their brother's grave and the grave of the boss's son also. He could not remember this. Question number 28. He wanted to weep. Who wanted to weep and why? The boss wanted to weep to reduce the sorrow in his heart. Question number 29. 10 francs robbery I call it. Who is the speaker? What was called a robbery and why? Answer is Old Odyfield is the speaker here. Odyfield's daughter took only a spoonful of jam from a jam pot, which was no bigger than a half crown. The hotel keeper charged her 10 francs. Question number 30. The girls are delighted, place it kept. Whose girls are referred to here? Which place is suggested and how is it kept? Answer is the girls of the old Odyfield are referred to here. The place is the cemetery in Belgium where the graves of many soldiers who fell in the World War First are kept. Question number 31. Who is little beggar in the story The Fly? Answer is Fly. Question number 32. And that promise fulfilled. What is the promise? Answer is the promise is the boss's hope that his son will carry out his business where he would live off. Question number 33. The horrible danger was over. Whose horrible danger is over? Answer is the horrible danger of the fly. After succeed in cleaning it through that, the danger was over. Question number 34. It was exactly as though the earth had opened, standing down at him. What made the boss visualize this? Answer is the remark of old Odyfield that his daughter's visit to Belgium, where they had come across the grave of the boss's son. Question number 35. Time he had declared, no difference. Who is the speaker? What did he declare? Answer is the boss is the speaker here. After the death of his son in the battlefield, the boss told everybody around him that other men perhaps might recover their loss and might forget the wounds of loss, but not he. Time will not able to lessen his sorrow. Question number 36. But just then the boss had an idea. What was the idea? Answer is to test the strength and courage of the fly. Next question. But just then the boss had an idea. When did the boss have an idea? Answer is the fly began served from the inkpot, was now ready for new life. Just then a peculiar idea came into the boss's mind. Question number 38. But such grinding feeling frightened. Who felt reached and why? Why did he feel positively frightened? Answer is after the death of the fly, the boss felt positively frightened. The boss is now haunted by the guilty conscience. He thinks himself responsible for the death of the fly. This thought alarmed him profoundly and he felt frightened. Question number 39. Whom does the boss's son represent? Answer is Catherine Mansfield's own brother. Question number 40. Whom does the Odyfield represent in the story The Fly? Answer is Catherine Mansfield's own father. Question number 41. From where did the whiskey came from? Answer is it came from the cellars at Windsor Castle. Question number 42. What was the name of the boss's son? Answer is Reggie. Question number 43. What were the other names of the fly? Answer is Lucky Little Devil, Little Beggar, and Artful Little Bee. Thank you so much.